Hi there, it's Alan here, the Digital Mentor, with another LinkedIn tip. Today we are talking about adding your company logo onto your personal profile. What do I mean by that? Well, let's get into this. Hi there, it's Alan here, the Digital Mentor, with another LinkedIn tip. And today I want to talk to you about having your company logo on your personal profile page. Yes, now I'm not talking about up on the top of your page. I'm actually talking about it in your experience. That part of your profile, that's what we're talking about. So how do we do this? Well, it's very, very simple. So let me jump over here to my LinkedIn profile and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So here we are in my LinkedIn profile. In my LinkedIn profile, you can see up the top here, I have the Digital Mentor and I have my logo beside it, but I'm actually talking about the experience part of your profile. So as you can see here on the Digital Mentor, there is a logo. Now, normally when you have this first, when you upload this first, you have a little gray square there that doesn't have any logos in it. And you can see here, I have one for the Digital Mentor, I've one here for Compass Media, I've one here for the DDLETB, I've also one for the Global Tea Break, and so on and so forth, right? So how do I get that in there? Well, it's quite simple to do. What you need to do is to set up a company page for your business. Now, a company page on LinkedIn is very beneficial for you because, one, you can showcase all about your company, about your services, and also your products and all of that good stuff that you can put on a company page. But we're not talking about that today. What we want to do is we want to put a logo, and we also want to put a banner in on your company page, because that is what's going to trigger your personal profile. Okay, now I'll show you how you do that. Very, very simple. So if I go over here and I create my company page, which I have already done, so you can see here it is the Digital Mentor. So you can see here on my company profile, I'm just going to show you as a member, that is how it looks, and there's my logo there, the Digital Mentor logo. Okay, now how do I do that? Well, I go into the admin page and I go into edit page, and when you click on the edit page, you'll see here it has logo, and that is where you put it in. Now, if that is blank, you can use the pencil tool, and you can find the your logo on your local computer, and then you can just upload it there. And once you do that, it will ask you to save it, and once you save it, it will automatically show up on your company page. So that's how you put it up onto your company page. Now, what you do is you go back over to your personal profile, and in your personal profile you will go down to your area of your expertise, and you can see here the Digital Mentor. Right now, what you do is you literally will click on the edit button, and in this you will be able to click edit here, and when you edit it here, it will automatically give you the name of the company, obviously your full-time, your blah blah blah. But if you click on this company and organization, and you click on that and you type in the Digital Mentor, it will actually pull up your company page on LinkedIn, and when you click on that, then it will actually give you that little logo, which will then go beside your actual experience on that particular page. So you can see here, so as you can see, it is here in your experience, and it'll also populate then as well up on the top of your page. This one here, it will always be your first experience. So whatever is in your experience in the first section here will always show up at the top. So if I wanted Compass Media, I would literally just drag that up and put that as the top one, and you can put them in order of merit as particularly whatever way you particularly want to do that. So it's a really, really little handy way for you to create and design and add your logo onto your LinkedIn personal or business profile. I do hope this is of value to you, and you'll come back again for more tips. I will be doing a lot more tips over the next couple of weeks on LinkedIn, small little hacks that you can do to enhance your profile. And I do hope this is of value. If you want to find out more about LinkedIn training, why not get in contact with me? All you have to do is email alan@thedigitalmentor.ie or send me a PM right here in LinkedIn, and we can have a chat and see how I can help you. Until the next time, as I always say, be social, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.